Thank you,
Ano
Wiltec.
masasabi mo bilang bagong brand ambassador ng Wheeltech?
Of course, I'm very happy and honored that Wiltec finally chose me as their brand ambassador.
Matagal mo na ba kinahantay?
Matagal ko nang inaantay talaga dahil never naman, ang hilig natin talaga ay isa sa mga hilig natin ay nasa motorbikes. And actually, nag-start talaga ako, customer ako ng Wheeltech. May binili akong sports bike sa kanila. At ayun na nga, ngayon, hopefully hindi ko nabili ng sports bike. Hopefully, mahirap na sa
How many motorcycles do you have at home?
Right now, I just have one. It's my daily motorcycle. I ride every day, going to the gym and going back.
Really?
Rider ka talaga.
Yes.
Ano pangarap mong ride?
Of course, Philippine Loop. That's why nung nalaman ko kay Sir Roscoe na nag-Philippine Loop sila nila Gab and some other people from Wheeltech, naingit ako, especially the videos. Na-imagine ko na kung paano yung ruta, kung paano yung logistics, kung paano ko siya yung buong trip na yan, kung makasama ako.
At hingit no more dahil malamang kasama ka sa mga susunod na ride.
Sana isama ko.
Buti may time ka. Hindi parang napagsasama yun.
Oo,
Naka-taping, tapos pag-date, tapos...
Gagawan natin ng time. Siyempre, kailangan natin lagi ng fruitful soul. Parang ang pag-ride sa akin is fruitful soul.
Pero, hindi, ito nga, tinatanong namin kasi kanina si lahat ng mga nakasama namin dito. Kamusta naman si Kim?
Ayan na.
Kukunin niyo ba ng hit?
Hindi, kamusta ang puso mo?
Sakto.
Uy, na, may kinis ko. Mas mahaba dami sa ito eh.
Ang prompt.
But yes, I want to take this opportunity again to thank the Wheeltech Group of Companies. I'm very happy and honored and proud to be your brand ambassador. I've known Sir Roscoe for a while, and from the time when I met him until now, hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. Mabait pa rin siya. Minsan nagtataka na ako kung bakit sobrang bait talaga ni Sir Roscoe. Parang too good to be true, but it's true.
Okay, but you know, it's been 50 years. We're celebrating the golden anniversary here, and we're definitely happy to have you on board. Anong pangarap mo with this family in the year to come?
Well, of course, I think the next milestone, 100 years. More than 100 years. Siyempre, ang pangarap ko for Wheeltech, 1,000
Years to go.
Hindi, 1,000 branches nation.
No branches, mga branches. Oo, yeah. Agree.
We're
Sige,
getting there.
Doktora.
Alam ko man, nasa 400 plus na, napakarami. Kaya, grateful na rin ako na nasa Wheeltech ako. Kasi pag nasiraan ako kahit saan sa Pilipinas, sigurado ako may tutulong sa akin.
Ito na lang, anong pangarap mong motorsiklo? Kung may i-request ka.
Marami. Hindi ko sure kung ibibigay sa akin. Pero yung pangarap ko ng motorsiklo na-display yata sa building ni Ross.
Alam na nila ko.
Alam na.
Okay. Okay. Carlos, saan ka ba namin aabangan? What's up for you next?
For now, I'm currently about to shoot the movie with Kim. Sana abangan mo siya. I'm sure it's gonna be very entertaining for everyone. I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo.
Compared sa ibang love team mo, gano'n ka-iba si Kim? Gano'n ka-espesyal?
Ayan na
Diba?
nga.
Dami ko tanong, no?
Well, sige na. Diba, very bubbly siya. And parang, I think, ano talaga, I could say that she just stopped. Daytime yung music niya.
Well, as we wrap this up for you this afternoon, Paolo, how important is it to you to be the face of Wheeltech?
For me, it's, I just want to say that I just don't want to be a poster boy whenever I get to be an ambassador or a face of a brand or a company. It always has to parang it has to do something. It has to mean something to me. like everything I endorse, everything na brand ambassador ako, I use the products or
It has to, influence your life in some way.
yes, that's why I was very happy when Realtek finally got me because I ride motorcycles every day. Any kind of basta gulong, nalagay mo sa kalsada, sa tracks, sa off-road, kahit skateboard pa yan, kahit roller things pa yan. But I'm very happy that Realtek finally got me dahil ang tagal ko talaga naghihintay na sana kunin naman ako ng boss ko.
Naku, Paolo, baka ma-addict ka. Baka ma-addict ka sa karay.
Oo nga eh.
This opens a new chapter. in your
Abangan.
life. Pero meron akong suggestion na pwede nilang gawin kay Paolo.
Ano yan?
Alam niyo ba yung nag-viral na elevator moment niya?
Oo!
Pwede nilang gawin yan sa mga Wheeltech brands.
Diba?
Diba yung kumari, ikaw yung nagbebenta, tapos naka-Wheeltech
Gusto mo may
uniform.
motorcycle ka na hindi papunta sa elevator.
Ano daw?
Motorcycle na uwi sa elevator.
Pwede naman.
Basta bawal mo basta classroom. Palakpakan mo natin! Paolo Benito!
Thank you everyone. It's an honor to be a new face of Realtek. Thank you sa lahat ng namamahalat ng mamuha ng Realtek Group of Companies, to all the brands that are here. Thank you and I hope I get to work with everyone.
We look forward to seeing you on the road once again, your new brand ambassador for Realtek, Paolo Abelino.
Thank you so much. In the comments.